Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about Wi-Fi Map. This project has been around for a while, as you can see from the chart, almost a year now, and we are quickly going to jump to the white paper of the project because I know that that's all everybody wants me to do. So I'm quickly going to jump and analyze the white paper. So yeah, just before that, let's quickly go through some basic information. Like, this is the market cap, 180 million is their fully diluted valuation. This is the website for the crypto, and this is their actual website. And Yeah, this is a very legitimate business and a huge business, I guess, because I saw the reviews on the Google Play Store, and it has nearly 2.7 million reviews. The reviews itself speaks the volume, and it's a pretty big number even in terms of reviews. So I'm sure it is a pretty huge app. You can see the number of downloads and all that stuff. Many, you can see the number of monthly active users. Our mission: we believe in a world where the internet is not just a privilege but a right for everyone. That is their mission. What sets us apart? That community network driven shared economic crowdsourcing. Yeah, we will understand all this in the white paper. And yeah, that's all you have for the project basic information on the website. Now quickly jump to the white paper, and well, let's go and dig deeper about every aspects of this project. So now this is the legal disclaimer if you want to go through it. And Now let's jump to the white paper, uh, which starts technically from page 4. Why are we building Wi-Fi Map? Our mission is to provide people with free internet access worldwide. We believe that access to the internet is a fundamental human right. I believe so. I believe the same thing. Connectivity leads to free speech and expression, equal access to education, freedom of conscience, and much more. We believe that everyone on the planet should have a free, stable, secure, and fast connection to the internet, which is true. What do we serve? We have developed a community driven product for those who need free internet access for different reasons. So again, if you do not have any idea about what this project is, then let me conclude in couple of sentences that this project allows you to connect with different Wi-Fi providers. So let's assume that you are traveling to Turkey boardroom, and you are in a cafe and you are looking for a Wi-Fi. Then if the Wi-Fi provider is using this Wi-Fi Map app, then he can provide you the Wi-Fi from maybe his phone or laptop or other hotspot devices. So that's what basically this they do. They help you with. So yeah, now let's go move forward with the white paper. We see that 3.7 billion people have never been connected to the internet. Millions and millions of households can't afford unlimited access plans. Even in Europe and the US, millions of travels are lost with astronomical prices of roaming, which is also true. Millions of refugees, seasonal workers, students, and people on the world edge of survival all have a right to be connected to the world. For billions of humans, connectivity is an unreachable privilege or simply a significant cost. Wi-Fi Map provides an internet connection to support their efforts to move forward and do their best in their life. Well, sounds so perfect. Our market size. What do we serve? Given our global footprint and our wide and continuously expanding service offerings, we are able to offer our services to a larger audience. More than 60% of our user base are digital natives, constantly connected to the internet. About half of them are familiar with crypto and Web3. So these are the numbers if you want to understand this market. Who are we? Wi-Fi Map is building a community-driven, decentralized wireless network. So again, why it is a community-driven? Because uh, basically they have created a community of people who provide their hotspot to the travelers or other users of the Wi-Fi Map. So it has become a community now. And I think this project actually is a 10-year-old project, almost a 10-year project. So yeah, they must have built a good community of people who provide hotspot and other internet related services to their users. So yeah, but again, let me be clear that any cryptocurrency project that uh, that is a good business, it doesn't mean that they can succeed in the cryptocurrency market, because cryptocurrency market requires you to keep the project decentralized. So what happens in traditional businesses is that there are a handful of 10 or 15 people, generally board members, who take the decisions regarding the project. But in crypto, that cannot happen. If they will try to achieve the same route here, then they are doomed to fail, because in the crypto, decentralization matters, community matters. So community means token holders. I'm talking about not the community of Wi-Fi providers. They are the integral part of the network. I'm talking about the Wi-Fi token holders. The more Wi-Fi token holders enter into the decision making of this project, higher the odds that this project will create value. Otherwise, all the stock market companies can come in the cryptocurrency market, and they would assume that they will succeed, but that doesn't happen, and it has never happened. The things which sets crypto apart from traditional stock related companies is that it requires DAO kind of decentralized autonomous organization kind of approach from the token holders. So token holders in extreme involvement in the project will be the key and the defining factor for not only Wi-Fi maps success, but any cryptocurrency project's success. Now, the desire to help, the fundamental motivation for the Wi-Fi map community. We know that millions of people share the same values, and a lot of enthusiasts are with us. They contribute willingly to the platform with the only intention of being help to other fellow humans who need a decent internet connection. Over the last 8 years, we have built a successful app with a large community offering the following services: eSIM, VPN, offline maps, Wi-Fi finder services, speed test. These are the services which they provide. Who are we? The team is made of people on the mission. You can go through all the team members if you want to. Who are we? The Wi-Fi Map co-founders are technology entrepreneurs and pioneers of the Web 2.0 era. Their projects were featured by Apple in 2010 when the App Store was a relatively lonely place. Iger and Dennis have co-founded several technological companies. Iger's Scanlo Group was a market leader in mobile development, building award-winning custom applications since 2008. In 2014 year of founding as a self-funded startup, they have specialized in growth hacking for mobile apps by creating a sustainable and profitable growth strategy and increasing conversions without spending money on traditional marketing tactics. The founders, driven by a mission to bring an accessible internet connection to everyone on the planet, transformed their uh, thriving business into Wi-Fi Map. For 8 years, Wi-Fi Map has functioned as a self-funded startup led by 30 plus passionate team members all over the world. But again, the community's involvement, when you enter in the cryptocurrency market, community's involvement is going to be the defining factor. The more token holders take part in this process of making this project success, higher the odds of this project becoming a successful project. What sets us apart? The combination of a large user base and the continued efforts of our community in growing the platform make it an invaluable business partner with potentially unlimited upside. Further to this, Wi-Fi Map enjoys a unique position as a leading ecosystem that brings together a strong community and powerful proprietary AI technologies, improving Wi-Fi Map status as a super app with the introduction of new products and features means that over the next year and beyond, we'll be able to do the job of several apps in one. Industry experts and predict market consolidation in the coming years, and the apps that manage to stay on people's home screens will enjoy increased attention and the screen time. What have we achieved so far? Wi-Fi Map started in 2014 as a community-driven wireless network and a self-funded startup that achieved significant success in pursuing its mission. Our core product is centered on our map, which shows people free to use Wi-Fi hotspots close to where they are. Again, this is pretty explainable, so I'm not going to go into the details of that how this works. But basically, as I mentioned earlier, that you will be able to find good hotspots around you, and you can use that internet as for doing your work or whatever you want to do on the internet. Hotspots are added by our community, and we continuously monitor them for the usage and the value they bring to the map. Via this mechanism, we are able to provide a crowdsourced map of connectivity worldwide. 150 million users. We have served 150 million users from around the globe and 200 plus countries. And these are the other statistics. If you want to go through it, I'm sure it's a big number, because the app has, in fact, 2.7 million reviews, which is a very big number for any app on the Google Play Store or Apple Store. What are our next steps in the 2023 and beyond? Partnership development. Allow venues and businesses to have premium exposure within the Wi-Fi map. Engage in partnerships with booking sites and transportation companies, Uber, Lime, etc., where Wi-Fi token holders shall receive certain benefits. Provide ad hoc connectivity on partner services. Partner up with airlines so our token can be used for in-flight Wi-Fi provided by Wi-Fi map. Community-driven social projects across connectivity areas to support the transition from Web.2 to Web3. Connect with venues and businesses that accept cryptocurrencies, including Wi-Fi as a payment. So again, they have pretty big expansion plans, but again, the more the community gets involved in all this, higher the odds of this project creating actual value and driving the value in the positive direction for the token holders. Because you see, the big investors in the cryptocurrency market, they only see one thing, that how much decentralized a project is, meaning that how many token holders are actually taking part in this project's success, in project's growth. Okay, so big investors are looking only for that thing. So just keep that in mind whenever you get mesmerized by any cryptocurrency project. And again, I am mesmerized by this project, let me be clear, but I have some senses that never get mesmerized by the numbers, even though the numbers can be real. I believe that the numbers which they have shown here are likely to be real, but still it doesn't create value, because there are many companies in the stock market, they have numbers like this, but they would die when they will enter to the cryptocurrency market, because they will lack decentralization, they will lack token holders involvement, token holders engagement towards the project. That's what creates the value for any cryptocurrency project. So just keep that in mind. Rapid expansion of map services. Ever expanding map services, battery charging stations, restroom, scooter providers, etc., wallet for crypto assets, built-in browsers, NFT integration and gamification. Wi-Fi token holders will get NFT avatars to be displayed in their profile. NFT avatars provide numerous perks and all that stuff. This is the roadmap. What is our long term vision? Our vision is to become a world leading Web3 super app providing wireless connectivity and a full stack of lifestyle services. Wi Fi Map will enter the decentralized wireless DY space with the launch of the Wi Fi token, which will incentivize contributors to add Wi Fi hotspots and earn rewards. The rewards can be redeemed for VPN protection, eSIM packages, and pro features, driving up the demand for premium services on the platform. In turn, the Wi Fi token will boost demand for eSIM data packages, supporting the expansion of the network as a whole. Wi-Fi first technology will make the eSIM packages competitive by switching to Wi-Fi where available and reducing demand on cellular masts. Combining this with crowdsourcing and our proprietary AI technologies will allow Wi-Fi Map to become a world-leading mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, in the Web3 space. Again, I guess these are very very long-term goals, but again, the bigger the goal, higher the importance of token holders will become, because the token holders can keep the project decentralized. So again, I tell the same thing again and again, because it is the ultimate truth. The bigger the goal, more the token holders involvement will be required. So just keep that in mind. There is nothing wrong with keeping big goals or long lasting goals or ambitious goals, but the only thing which they need to include is or you as an investor need to understand is that how much the token holders role will be when it comes to all these technologies, or when it comes to achieving all these targets which they are mentioning here. After our seamless connectivity with technology is rolled out, users will be able to automatically switch between our shared global database of Wi Fi networks and eSIM data, allowing them to save money while staying connected all the time. But this is just the beginning. Over the next 12 months, Wi Fi Map will consolidate its position as a super app based on a hybrid model of connectivity and lifestyle services. Strategic partnerships with power bank sharing startups, Shark, I don't know these companies, and Fast Energy marked the first step in the November 2022, and app users will be able to access electric scooters, ride share companies, and more without ever leaving the app. So again, these are pretty ambitious goals, and these huge goals will require token holders extreme involvement. If the token holders are not taking participation in all these extreme goals, then the project will have no value and it will die sooner or later, because only the token holders can help achieve decentralization in such ambitious goals. So just keep that in mind. This model is prone to be effective, and scaling it will set a positive feedback loop in motion, growing the Wi-Fi map ecosystem into a platform that does the job of all your favorite apps in one place. The Wi-Fi token is intended to provide digital access to the Wi-Fi map platform by means of a blockchain-based infrastructure. The Wi-Fi token entitles the token holders to a host of benefits with superior utility to your standard data providers, as well as sharing in the value generated by our community. It should ignite a sustainable economy within the Wi-Fi map ecosystem to start the interconnection with the Web3 universe. Wi-Fi token holders have the possibility to redeem their Wi-Fi tokens on the Wi-Fi map platform in order to obtain a number of services. For example, the Wi-Fi token can be redeemed to obtain eSIM data packages. Furthermore, token holders have the possibility to hand back the data package in part or in full if they haven't used it yet, receiving a proportional amount of Wi-Fi. Any unused Wi-Fi tokens will be stored in the user account for future use. Benefits: constant buy pressure on the token due to the people purchasing packages as they mentioned above in fiat, resulting in tokens being locked up with the amount depending on the current price. The refund system for the unused data will increase the overall sales of data packages. Users will be buying them if they know they will get their unused funds back, and less people will delete the app. Why tokenize a Wi-Fi map? Discounts for purchasing Wi-Fi map services. You can go through it if you want to connect to earn eSIM data refunds and discounts for partner services. These will be the advantages if they use the Wi-Fi token. Why tokenize Wi-Fi map? Tipping feature, allowing community members to send a thank you message to the people who added the hotspots they connect to, has been a hugely popular feature. So the team is now expanding the social elements of the app to build on its decentralized innovation and light up the Wi-Fi economy. Soon it will be possible to send contributors a small tip in Wi-Fi as a gesture of gratitude. This recognition in the form of a reward that can later be redeemed will encourage people to add hotspot to the platform and to spend the Wi-Fi token their fellow community members donate to them. Users who decide to lock up their tokens will receive a percentage return over a period of several months with a higher yield for longer lockups. This will incentivize long term participation in the ecosystem and provide additional tokens that can be redeemed for services on the platform, which has the double benefit of encouraging the circulation of the Wi-Fi token and boosting activity in the app. Megabyte farming. Well, this is something new. Users will earn eSIM megabytes by staking tokens inside the app, providing them with free internet access in a growing list of 70 plus countries. Well, pretty impressive. People will earn more data the longer they stake their Wi-Fi, encouraging them to stay on the platform in the longer term. The data can be stored in the app to be used when traveling abroad or for any other reason. Again, some of the targets of this project are ambitious right now, but as I said, the more the token holder engage in all these visionary things, higher the odds that this task will be completed, and at the same time the project will become more decentralized, more secure, and the big investors will have create more value, and they'll buy the tokens as well for the investment purposes. Because if the big investors are, if they do not buy this token, then there is no point in investing this or owning this token. So to attract big investors, one will need a solid token holders engagement towards all these ambitious goals. Just keep that in mind. Wi-Fi Map DAO. 10% of all funds collected from the redeemed Wi-Fi will flow to a DAO where the community can decide on how to manage these funds. So again, what I just mentioned earlier, the importance of community and token holders, that's what they are saying here. And they are giving this 10% to the DAO, so there can be a stronger bond, there can be solid engagement from the community towards the project. That's why they are doing this. The DAO could allocate these tokens for marketing initiatives, incentivization, adoption programs, partnerships, and much more. So as I said, the DAO's involvement is going to be the deciding factor in the success of this project. Our core service of providing a map with open Wi-Fi hotspots to our users is dependent on our large group of contributors, meaning the people who provide the internet service to their users. With the introduction of the Wi-Fi token, we want to further incentivize them to add utility to our platform and support the network expansion. For this reason, we plan to distribute tokens to contributors who perform various services on our platform, such as adding hotspots, performing speed tests, and much more, giving them the option to monetize their work. Contributors can then spend these tokens on our platform for services or sell them on a third party exchanges. So they want to reward the basically contributors to so they can earn this Wi-Fi token and gradually redeem them for some financial gains. Token sale, this is the token infrastructure, how they have allocate the tokens. This is the token total some supply, 1 billion, uh, billion with a B. Wi-Fi token generation and allocation, fund allocation. We plan to allocate the fund generated from the Wi-Fi token sale to further expand our Wi-Fi map. Again, how much transparency they are going to keep with this fund allocation, and how much engagement the token holders will have, how much decisions the token holders will be able to make with these funds is going to be the key area of focus if you truly want to analyze this project. Expansion of our team's capabilities, in-house development, product team, business development, marketing, and community management. So these are going to be the use cases of the token. Wi-Fi token generation and allocation. We are holding the token sale over the two stages. So these are the details of the token sale, and these are the numbers regarding the token sale. This is the total raised amount, nearly $1 million. And yeah, that's all we have for the white paper of Wi-Fi map. An internet connection is a fundamental right, not a privilege. Pretty impressive line. But this is all I have for you in this video regarding the Wi-Fi map white paper. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, then I guess I deserve the like, and I hope you understood the importance of community when it comes to any cryptocurrency projects. Even though the numbers are great, I believe them as well, but the thing is that the decentralization creates the value in the cryptocurrency market and not the business numbers itself. So yeah, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you will give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel, and mainly you can also join my Telegram group if you have any questions regarding any cryptocurrency project. And just one last thing, that nothing in this video is financial advice, so just bear that in mind. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.